Kickstart your front-end journey.
Looking to practice your front-end skills? Building small projects is a great way to learn any framework, from React to Vue or Angular. Choose simple ideas that help you understand core concepts like state, components, or routing, while making something you'll actually use or share.
Build a personal portfolio.
Create your own portfolio website to showcase your work and skills. This project will help you practice layouts, navigation menus, and responsive design. Add interactive sections like a project gallery or contact form to apply basic framework features, making your portfolio both useful and impressive.
Design a to-do list app.
A classic to-do list app is a perfect beginner project. It covers the fundamentals: creating, displaying, updating, and deleting items. You'll learn to manage user input, state changes, and conditional rendering, all foundational techniques for any front-end framework.
Create a simple weather widget.
Practice working with APIs by building a weather widget. Use a free weather API to fetch and display current conditions based on the user's input. This introduces you to data fetching, error handling, and dynamic interface updates, a step up from static projects.
Develop a recipe finder.
A recipe search app helps you learn form handling and lists. Let users enter an ingredient, then fetch and display recipes using a public food API. This teaches you to build real-world interfaces and work with user input and external data.
Keep learning and experimenting.
The best way to learn is by doing. Start with these beginner projects and add your own features as you grow. Experiment with different frameworks. Try making small games or utilities, and build confidence as you create useful, fun applications.